Hello and welcome to the Early Childhood Studies programme. My name is Ross Evans and I'm the lecturer on the Infants, Toddlers, Young Children and Technology module. Previously I worked as a school teacher and my interests particularly focus on areas such as classroom pedagogy and the impact technology can have on learning. Some of the key concepts of the course and the module in particular include aspects such as establishing what technology and ICT are, a focus on the contemporary issues with ICT, particularly with a focus on e-safety, digital competence with a particular nod at the curriculum in Wales, using technology to assist with ALN and inclusion, and understanding how technology can improve and aid cognition. As you will know, the early years education lays the foundation for learners, and that education is vital to these learners getting a good start in life. We would welcome applicants who share this passion and have a keen interest in early years education. Thank you. Diolch.